There were two key factors in looking for the right platform. One was not an Excel spreadsheet, but the second was being able, and Kaylin pointed this out, being able to use this, your phone or your iPad or Surface or whatever you're using, to be able to see what's going on wherever you're at.
We've got at the moment a seller's market. So pre-COVID it was a buyer's market. Now we're working out what pieces of the puzzle and what business do we actually accept into our building that makes the most sense for the economic impact of the city, which is our primary focus. So at the moment, utilising the software platforms that we have here is incredibly important to, historically a one-dimensional, let's have a look at what's available, let's book that event in. Now it's going, well, in 2027, does it make sense to take this piece of business or that piece of business? So how can we get the system to do some of that multi-dimensional work for us so we can make those business decisions?
It's funny because one of my first roles that they gave me when I came over to then Phillips Arena was flipping everything from our Microsoft calendar. So all holds and everything was kept in a calendar or a holds book. And my job was to take everything from those calendars or books and transport it over to event booking so we could start this new kind of process of booking things. My bosses, both of them, an EVP and senior director, they talk about how they physically wrote out holds in their holds book or physically put it in their calendars and had to release and things, everything from that, which is wild to even think about. But we have made monumental steps in our booking process that have really kind of changed the way that we do our jobs and have definitely made it much easier.
If you're working in another way without any sort of event management software, as I've done in other places, that's a headache in trying to control all that information, right? You might have an Excel document to use for your calendar. You might have Outlook that you're using and separating into rooms. You might have an Excel document that you use for your event orders. You're going to have all of your contracts and your invoices in all these random folders everywhere, and everything is going to slip through.
This hardware and this new infrastructure with technology, it's really there to go and help unite the workforce in its own way. And once we are able to do that, I think that it will help then even, it kind of makes sense where you have the hybrid, but if you also enhance your current environment, that might interestingly invite more people to come onto campus and also say, wow, look at all that cool technology, where now I can also be part of all of it too. So interesting kind of paradigm there when you think about, yeah, we can do hybrid, but maybe in the upgrade of helping to support a hybrid work environment, even your own infrastructure is going to go and get enhanced and really get that technology boost that it needs.